and welcome to IntelKA's YouTube channel. My name is Ruby and I'll be showing you how to set up your smart wall switch in Home Assistant. Warning: the installation requires handling mains voltage. Mishandling of such a high voltage can lead to fatal injuries. If you feel unsure, reach for your local electrician. Follow the installation instructions under your own risk. Alright, let's get started. We will need access to our Home Assistant server, a computer, phone or tablet, an IntelKA wall switch, a screwdriver. We will perform the installation in 3 steps. First, we will set up the MQTT service in Home Assistant. Second, we will install the device in the wall. And third, we will connect our device to Home Assistant. Great! We will head now to the Home Assistant website using our web browser. Head to Home Assistant Local and log into your Home Assistant account. You can also follow the instructions through the iOS phone app or Android app. Okay, let's install the Mosquitto Broker. Go to Settings. Add-on Store. Search and install the Mosquitto Broker. Click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Select Start on Boot and Watchdog to make sure the service restarts. Click Start. Great. Now we need to create a user so we can connect our devices. Go to Settings. Head to People. Add person. Set a name and toggle the switch Allow to log in. Type a user password. Make sure you take note of these values. We will use them later. Toggle the option Can only log from the local network and click Submit. Then click Create. Super! We have now our user set up in Home Assistant. We will reboot the system so changes take effect. Go to Settings, System, and Restart. Let's wait a few seconds for the system to reboot. Okay, now we need to configure the user we just created with the Mosquitto Broker. Go to Settings, Devices and Services. Click Add New Integration. Search MQTT. Select the first instance, then click Submit. Click Finish. Click Configure. Click Reconfigure MQTT. Now replace the username and password from the user we created previously. Click Next, then scroll down and Submit. Click Finish. Great, the default configuration works for most people. If you need to make any changes specific for your setup, you can update them there. Great! We have now configured Home Assistant to be linked with the IntelKA wall switch. On the next video, we will show how to perform the wall installation. Please check the link on the description below. On behalf of IntelKA, we wish you a great day and thanks for watching.